Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Gimp. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, we have to come over our green screen layer on the right hand side of the screen and right click. We need to make sure that add alpha channel has been selected. If it's grayed out, it means it's already selected. You must do this. If you don't do this, it will be not going to work. From there, come to the left hand side of the screen and you will see this a torch looking symbol. If you hold down the left mouse button on there and click on select by color. Now in your tool options, the only thing we really need to look at this threshold. At the moment we are on 44.1, so if we click on the green screen, you can see a decent job of cutting around the arms. It's going to cut out of the head of so if we hold the control button and click on the green screen again, that will remove what we've just selected. If we come back to the to all options to the threshold, if we drop this to around 30.3, it might be different for your image, and if we click on the green screen again, it will does a much better job. So all this top part can be detected now. If you're happy with your selection, press the delete button and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove green screen in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.